Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So Xiaomi has announced the Redmi Watch with a very low price and 7 days of battery life. The Redmi Watch has been announced alongside the new Redmi Note 9 series of phones as the first smartwatch from Xiaomi's Redmi brand, packing a low price and some eye-catching features. One such feature is its 230 mAh battery, which apparently lasts for 7 days with normal use or up to 12 days if you enable the power saving mode. The Redmi Watch also has a 1.4-inch color LCD touchscreen with a 320 by 320 resolution. Plus, it's waterproof to depth of 50 meters and includes NFC, a heart rate monitor, and Bluetooth 5.0. Beyond the heart rate monitor, there is also a selection of exercise tracking modes, plus sleep tracking and a breathing exercise. The Redmi Watch works with both iPhones and Android handsets. You can also control music that's being played on your phone. Other features include an alarm clock, a timer, a stopwatch, weather reports, flashlight, compass, call and messages alerts, activity reminders, and a high heart rate alerts. It comes in black, blue, and white color options for the body. And there is also a choice of 5 silicone straps, with black, blue, white, pink, and green on offer. There is a single button on the right edge of the Redmi Watch, and the wearable weighs just 35 grams and has a thickness of 10.9 millimeters. All in all, it is not a bad look considering the low price. Xiaomi has previously launched the Redmi Smart Band fitness tracker, so the Redmi Watch is a smarter alternative, but at just 269 Chinese yuan, which is around $40. It is still cheaper than many fitness trackers. So far, it's only been announced for China, where it will go on sale from December 1st, but it's entirely possible the Redmi Watch will get a global launch at some point. If and when it does, though, it might get a different name, as very similar wearable called the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite has been spotted on an FCC listing. The Redmi Watch would have to pass through the FCC before being sold in the US, so it's very likely we'll see it there at least in some form. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you soon.